If you've ever felt that frying, poaching, or cooking eggs were such a hassle, trust me, you're not alone. I used to feel that way until I discovered a few ridiculously simple egg hacks that changed my mornings completely. And today, I'm going to share them with you. And wait until you see the third hack. It's the one I use every day, and it is fast, simple, and comes out perfectly every single time. This first hack is a lifesaver on those mornings when you need a healthy breakfast, for you or the kids. But you don't want to turn on the stove or wash a pile of dishes afterward. Here's what to do. Grab a microwave-safe bowl and lightly spray it with oil so the eggs don't stick. Crack in 2 eggs. Add your favorite quick veggies, chopped tomatoes, onions, spinach, anything you have on hand. Season with salt and pepper. And here's my secret. Add a splash of milk for extra fluffiness. Whisk gently, and then microwave on high in 30-second intervals for about 90 seconds total. Remember that every microwave is different, so keep an eye on it. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. It'll be hot. And that's it. Your omelet is ready in under 2 minutes. 0 pans, 0 cleanup, and 0 stress. Your breakfast is done in literally seconds. Exactly how mornings should be. This next hack might sound a little strange at first, but trust me, it's a classic because it works. Have you ever had an egg crack the second you put it in boiling water? That happens because inside every egg, at the wider, rounder end, there's a small air pocket. When the egg hits hot water, that trapped air expands fast, and with nowhere to go, crack. To help prevent this, you can give that air a tiny escape route. Before boiling, take a clean pin or thumbtack and gently prick a very small hole in the center of the wider, flatter end of the egg. You just want to pierce the shell, not go deep into the egg itself. This tiny hole allows the expanding air to escape during cooking, which reduces the chance of your eggs cracking and leaking wispy whites into the water. Now boil your eggs. 6 to 8 minutes for a soft, runny yolk, and 10 to 12 minutes for a firm, fully hard-boiled egg. When they're done, immediately plunge them into ice-cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. This shock stops the cooking and helps the membrane separate from the shell. And this brings us straight to the next hack, the most satisfying egg peeling method ever. Instead of fighting with tiny pieces of shell and losing chunks of egg in the process, we're going to peel all the eggs in seconds. Here's how. Place your cooked eggs in a container with a little cold water. Pop a lid on top and shake. Not violently, just a firm, rhythmic shake for 5 to 10 seconds. The gentle agitation creates microcracks all over the shell, and the water slides under the membrane, lifting it completely. When you open the container, you'll find the shells are practically falling off. They'll often slide off in 1 or 2 large, satisfying pieces. This hack saves time, prevents mangled eggs, and is frankly incredibly satisfying. Can I know where you are watching me from? It's nice to know that we can connect from around the world. Drop your country or city in the comments. This next hack is one I learned back in college, and it's still one of the fastest ways to make a perfect fried egg without any pans or cleanup. Grab a microwave-safe plate and give it a quick spray of oil so the egg doesn't stick. Crack your egg right onto the plate. Before cooking, take a fork and gently poke the yolk once, just enough to break the membrane. This prevents it from exploding in the microwave. Now microwave it for about 45 seconds if you want the yolk slightly runny, or 60 seconds for a fully set yolk. Carefully remove the plate. It's going to be hot. And that's it. No pan, no mess, no waiting. You can eat it as is, slide it onto a piece of toast, or add it to a breakfast sandwich for a quick morning win. Now, let's move on to the hack that helps you get a surprisingly good poached egg in about a minute, using just your microwave. Here's how to do it. Fill a microwave-safe mug or small bowl with about half a cup of water. Gently crack your egg into the water. Gently pierce the yolk with a fork or the tip of a knife. This lets steam escape while it cooks. Microwave on high for about 45 seconds to a minute. Microwave power varies a lot, so you may need to adjust the time. Carefully take it out of the microwave, and you're done. A fast and easy poached egg, ready for your avocado toast. Now let's move to hack number 5. This is the classic water-poached egg, but with a twist: the ladle method. First, fill a pot with water and bring it to a temperature just off a boil. Take your metal ladle and grease it gently. After, crack your egg into it. Sometimes you have a tiny piece of shell that falls into your egg. Trying to fish it out with your fingers or a spoon is a slippery, frustrating chase. The solution is already in your hand. Use a larger piece of the eggshell you just cracked. The shell piece acts like a perfect little scoop. Its sharp edge cuts through the thick egg white and makes it easy to lift the shell piece right out. After, take your ladle and lower it so it's just kissing the surface of the simmering water. Gently, slowly, tip the egg into the water. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. This timing is a sweet spot for a firm white and a runny yolk, but adjust by 15 to 30 seconds based on your preference. What you'll pull out is a beautifully formed poached egg. This gives you that traditional poached egg look, but way more control. So there you have it. From the fury of a stubborn shell to the finesse of a perfect poach, we've covered the simple, clever hacks that solve your biggest egg frustrations. With a little bit of kitchen know-how, you can take control of your egg cooking. These hacks prove that you don't need to be a professional chef to get professional results. You just need to know the right approach. Cooking should be fun, and hopefully, these tips will bring a little more ease and a lot more joy to your time in the kitchen. If you found these hacks helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen tips and life-changing food hacks. And let us know in the comments which one of these hacks you're going to try first. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.